In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a WooCommerce checkout field using our free visual drag and drop checkout field editor. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and remove the checkout fields in WooCommerce visually. Let's say, for example, if you didn't want the phone number, we can just go ahead and click this option here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to add a new field to it, for example. We can go ahead and add this URL field here. We can drag and drop it. We can go ahead and rearrange the existing fields as well. We didn't want the first name. We can go ahead and remove it just like that. If you want to remove your checkout fields using this particular method, the first step is to head over to woosuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you've done so, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, here we are in our WordPress dashboard, and now the next step is to go ahead and upload the WooSuite all-in-one checkout plugin. So we'll just navigate to plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin which you just downloaded. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and click on the all-in-one checkout plugin menu, AIO. Now we'll go ahead and create our new checkout form. Okay, so we'll just click create new checkout here. Since I've already created one, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one here. Okay. And then from here, we can truly customize the checkout experience. But for this particular video, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this email field, for example. Okay, so we'll just remove it. Go ahead and navigate to settings. Make sure you enable this checkout form. Then just save changes. And then when we check the checkout page, the email field should be removed. So let's refresh our checkout. Okay, and then here you can see the email field has been removed. Okay, and we can do that with any other field. We can add new fields by clicking on this icon here. Okay, and we can remove other fields by clicking on this icon here. And then one last thing whilst we're here as well, let's say we wanted to customize the width of the field. We can click on this settings icon. Then we can navigate over to appearance, and then here we can choose the size. So we can say full width, half, or a third. Okay, so if we said full width here, you can see that's displaying full width. And then if we save changes on the checkout page, the name field should be displaying full width, which it is. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so this is just a quick and easy method to quickly go ahead and edit different fields. In the future as well, you'll also have the option to go ahead and split test various different checkout types. You can test the impact on conversion rate by removing a field, by adding multiple steps, and so on. Okay, so whilst we're on this checkout page as well, you might have noticed this checkout upsell. Again, this is created by the WooSuite all-in-one checkout plugin, and this offer is only displaying because we've got this camera within our basket. So if we was to remove this camera, then we wouldn't be able to see this particular upsell. So it's conditionally displaying. If you want to create a similar upsell on your WooCommerce store, I'll leave a link in the description below, and there should also be a link somewhere around this video as well. And that's just a quick and easy way to remove fields from your WooCommerce checkout without having much technical knowledge as usual. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.